Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Finto. So in today's video we are going to discuss how to mine any cryptocurrency on your laptop. So basically in order to mine any cryptocurrency you need only three things. First one is the wallet. In the wallet they will provide you like address. They will provide you the address of your wallet so that you can transfer your money to your wallet. And the second one is the miner, like either like a G miner or NB miner or something like that. And the third one is the pool. So like these three technologies are like these three concepts are very wide in itself. So just like seeing it as it is. I'm like not going to discuss it here. I'm like only going to discuss the methodology how to mine the cryptocurrency on a laptop. So as we all know, like these days cryptocurrency is like getting popularity day by day, and it is now becoming a new trend to invest in the cryptocurrency and like buy the cryptocurrency and all those things. But before it was like very famous because like I am also belong from the computer science background, so I'm like a little bit familiar with the how the technology actually work and what are the significance of each of the coin and why like one coin is better than the other. So from that perspective I would like also want to convey you that before doing anything, just learn about each and every technologies and then try to do the mining. So mining process is very simple and like a quick step. All you have to do is to like download the wallet from its official website and the miner. Suppose you want to mine the Raven coin or like Bitcoin or like Ether. So for that you need to like download the wallet for the Ether and the miner from the internet, and you need to select some pool so that you mine with the other people also, because like you are mining with your laptop, that's why you need the pool. Yeah, so I think this is all about background. Before moving further, let me show you my result, because like from past few days I was like mining Raven coin, and this is the miner that I am using. Let me just open it here also. I am using G miner. So basically G miner and so basically in the G miner all you have to do is to set up this thing as a bat file. It means which miner you want to execute, which algo. Ravencoin work on the Cowpy algorithm, and at what pool you want to like execute it. And the third one is the what is the wallet address. Suppose you mine 10 Ravencoin, 20 Ravencoin. So at that address, like at which address this should belong. So this belongs to this address. So it's like the place of here. You should like put your wallet. Let me make it bigger. You should put your wallet address. How you will get the wallet address will be I will like let you know. So let me just show you the results. So this is like currently mining, and this is the wallet. Currently I like total this much revenue coin in my wallet, and apart from it I am using two miner pool for the revenue coin. And when I like search my address here, you will see that I have like total paid around 10 point something Raven coin to my wallet to like this address, and this is currently like under processing, and this will give you the total hash rate currently is working on your computer. So I just started my mining. I just started my mining, so that's why like it is not showing here. Okay, so this is the background and my progress. Let's go back to the discussion. Okay, so you need a wallet. So currently I am mining Raven coin. So all you have to do is to like go to the Raven coin. Let's go to the wallet, Raven coin wallet. Come to this link. You will able to like download the download for the Windows, Mac or Linux, and based on that you have to like set up some configuration. It is like a very easy configuration. After that it will show something like this. So before like showing something like this, it will download the whole blockchain in your computer. So it might take like 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours depending on the computer speed and the internet connection. So it might take some time. Okay, so this is and now let's go to the miner. So which miner is the best for this one? So in order to get the miner, come to this address like to miner.com, and from here you will just a second, .com, and come here. Like if you want to mine the Raven coin or like Ether or some other coin, so come here and type on the quick start. Here you will able to see the guide. Create a wallet, which I have like already explained you. Second one is download the mining software. You can download the any of these. So I am currently using the NB miner, I think. Yeah, G miner. Currently I am using G miner. So this one. You need to open this link, and it will like guide you like a step by step process. So download the G miner from the internet. So in order to download the G miner, you will get, just type G miner Ravencoin GitHub or something. It will land up to a GitHub page, and download this zip file for Windows, this tar file for the Linux. And if you like want to compile and compile these things on your computer itself, so that you can like download the source code from here also. So yeah, this is the all about the second step. And the third is the edit the bat file. So in order to edit the bat file, you have to create the bat file something like this. Okay, and currently like we are using G miner. So for G miner, all you have to do is to like paste this in the, see, like this is exactly same. This is exactly same. Let me just close this one. See the miner.exe, which type of algo cowpow, and the server is like this one. And instead of the your wallet, like your wallet address, pass your wallet address something like this. And just like give any rig id. So currently I'm like giving any random rig id. So like this is just for the notation. It does not imply anything. And just like pass the parameter x, and at the end just do the pause. So and save it inside your inside your gminer folder somewhere here, and name it as a .bat, or rename it as like Raven coin miner or something like that, like Raven coin miner or something. So if you mine like if you want to mine any cryptocurrency or like anything, so you have to follow only like this these three simple steps for any cryptocurrency, either it's a Bitcoin, Ether, or Dogecoin, Litecoin, anything, Ravencoin, anything. So these are like the three simple steps all you have to do. So I would request to like before like starting and like doing all this thing, like mostly I always do this thing for fun. I do not have the grid to like earn money or something. I just like believe in the technology. And I know like this technology have lots of capability. Blockchain has like lots of capability to make change in the world. That's why like I support this technology and try to learn it. Yeah, so this is all that I wanted to share. Okay guys, just let me know if you have any doubts. I know like this is not much that I have explained. That's the reason that I'm not explaining much, because like I'm not that much qualified to explain each and every bit and bytes of the bits and bytes of the blockchain, and why this coin is is uh, more important than the other, and like why Bitcoin and like all these things are different from other coin. So currently like I am like very newbie to this from my understanding. I think you need some high qualified person to explain this. So before like getting anything advice from anyone, just do your own research and find out why this technology is is important. Why this is like why blockchain is even important. So all these things like keep in mind. So I think this is all from my end. Just put a comment if you have any doubt, if you're like facing any difficulty in mining the cryptocurrency or something. So just a side note, do not mine this coin so that like you will get the profit. If you have like something in your mind, so like you obviously like, you can get the profit, but even like more important from the getting the profit is that you will like get the knowledge that you are the part of something that is like going to change the world. So that is like more exciting for me. So that's why like I believe in this technology and I spend my time. So yes guys, thank you, and bye bye.